In a recent Instagram post, actress and mother of two Neha Dhupia expressed her strong support for Deepika Padukone amid the ongoing controversy surrounding the film Spirit and its director, Sandeep Reddy Vanga. Neha's post came as a response to the challenges new mothers face when balancing their careers and motherhood, particularly in industries like entertainment where long working hours are often the norm. Neha took to her Instagram story to emphasize the importance of practical support for working mothers, stating, "For work-life balance to go beyond conversations, new moms need practical support and consideration. Instead, we often get shamed or sidelined. As a working mom, I support Deepika Padukone's reasonable request for fair and considerate working hours." Her statement comes at a time when Deepika Padukone is facing backlash over her alleged departure from Spirit due to creative differences with director Sandeep Reddy Vanga. Reports surfaced suggesting that Deepika was removed from the project due to unprofessional conduct and excessive demands, including an 8-hour shift, which became a point of contention. This has sparked a larger conversation about the difficulties new mothers face while managing both career and family. Rana Daggubati, another prominent actor, also weighed in on the topic, suggesting that actors have the freedom to choose their schedules and are not forced into long hours on set. In a recent interview, Rana stated, "Nobody is forcing anybody. It's a job. Just like nobody forces you to do a particular show, it's always a choice. Everyone decides what's important in their life. There are actors who shoot for only 4 hours, that's their system." His comments add another layer to the ongoing debate, reinforcing the idea that actors have control over their working hours and should not be pressured into longer shifts. Meanwhile, Sandeep Reddy Vanga took to X, formerly Twitter, to accuse an unnamed actor of leaking confidential details and attempting to sabotage a younger co-star. His post also criticized the actor's interpretation of feminism, which led many to speculate that the remarks were aimed at Deepika Padukone. This controversy has sparked a much-needed conversation about work-life balance, particularly for women in the entertainment industry. As the debate continues to unfold, many are questioning how the industry can better support new mothers trying to juggle their professional careers and family responsibilities. As of now, it remains to be seen how the situation will evolve, but it is clear that the conversation about fair working conditions and the needs of new mothers is far from over. Stay tuned for more updates as this story develops.